Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode on the Birth and Beyond podcast. We are excited you are here. Thank you for coming back to watch, to all our returning subscribers, and for the new subscribers and for the new people who are watching us. We are saying that this is the Birth and Beyond, and this is where we discuss everything birth and beyond. You can put your questions in the comments below and we'll be happy to address them. Today we're talking about another exciting topic, and this is very important because it has a long-term effect even on the mother and then the baby. We are talking about the best versus the worst sleeping position that you can even imagine as a pregnant woman. And I still have with me here Portia, which is an exciting Portia.
Hello.
Yeah, I like your baby.
Thank you.
Today we're talking about the sleeping position, right?
Yeah.
I want you to, first of all, let us know, why is it important?
It's very important because even a bad sleeping posture can kill your baby in your womb. A lot of people doesn't know. There are some miscarriages, some death, and you don't understand it. Some can be related to your bad sleeping posture.
I see. So just by the way you sleep, you can kill the baby and then...
The reason why I'm saying that is when the fetus starts to grow, everything in there becomes big, as we always say, it grows. So let's say, for example, if you're sleeping at your back, or on your right side, the uterus will be putting pressure on your inferior vena cava. Let me break down for you to
if I break down, let me
understand. We have a big vein, we have superior vena cava and we have the inferior vena cava. So that big vein takes blood from our lower extremities, like from our leg, coming up to the heart. So when you sleep your back or your right side, the uterus put pressure.
So the uterus, in this case, the womb, right?
Yeah,
that
put pressure on that inferior vena cava, like that vein.
So let's say it's like a tube. That connects like, the blood supply.
It brings all the blood supply from the lower extremities to the heart.
I see.
So if it puts pressure on it, it prevents it from bringing it up. So what happens? There is no blood coming up to take oxygen down back to the lower extremities.
I see. Yes, understandable.
So automatically you decline blood supply to the body. And the reason why mothers do not affect that much is because the mother is breathing, but the baby doesn't have that strength like to endure this thing you are going through as the older person. Because if you are declining a blood supply or lack of oxygen to this child, it wouldn't take a minute.
That's understandable. I see.
So it's important. It's very important. People take it just lightly. No.
I see.
And with a bad sleeping posture, you wake up with pain. Real pain. And sometimes overstretching of your muscles.
I see.
And even the way we sit or stand when sleeping. We're going to talk about it now.
Yeah, sure. So just can you demonstrate, let us know how to sleep, and then how not to sleep.
As a first-time mother, as a pregnant woman, if you go into bed, please do just jump on the bed, sleep anyhow. That is not welcome. Please, first you have to sit on the bed, then you lie. It's very simple that way. You imagine.
So how do you lie on your left?
You lie on your left, not on your right. On your left. On your left hand side. That is the way you have to sleep. And you support your back with pillows. Most of the times when you lie on your left, your legs are stick together. And due to continuous sticking together or friction, you can sometimes feel soreness. Like it's not like it's going to be sore, but you feel pain in between the bones because they are stuck together. So you can put pillows there. You can also, we even have some pillows for pregnant women online. or the stores that we go to buy things. But if you don't have that money to go and get those things, don't worry yourself. That's why you have pillows in your house. Just put some in between your leg and in front of you.
Okay. I see.
Then you sleep very comfortable. And 2, if you want to stand up, don't just stand up. And the men who are always trying to be like they are helping, lifting them, it's not healthy. It's not a nice way. You could break a bone, you could overstretch a muscle. The way you slept, you wake up that same way.
Okay.
So you first put your hands up. If this is your left hand, you exert pressure on it, then you sit with it.
Okay.
So for instance, this is me, I'm the pregnant. If you're not seeing, you're sleeping like this, okay? If you want to get up, you put your hands down, you stand up with it.
Okay.
Then you sit straight.
Nice one.
Then you stand up. That ends it. Very simple. Don't just stand up like with your tummy. Some people will be sleeping at the back and you see the men trying to hold them up. Even the man, you can break your bone. And it's not a healthy way.
I see.
The woman can overstretch her muscles, her ligament or something, and that one can lead to another issue. So this is as simple as A, B, C. You can do it. Just try it now if you're a pregnant woman as we're talking.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I want to ask you something.
Yeah.
At what point do you have to sleep like this? Can you ever sleep normal even when you're pregnant?
You know, with the first trimester, we all know it's so easy.
Okay.
The tummy is not big. Some people can even be 3 months and it's not even visible.
Okay.
For that one, you're able to sleep your back, your both sides, anywhere.
Okay.
But from the second trimester, then you see the tummy bloating, everything becoming big.
And
you
that's
just
when
have
you
to
do
start.
That. Okay, nice.
But in a normal way, even as a normal person, it's always best to sleep on your left side.
Yeah.
So sleeping on your left side improves circulation.
Okay.
Even with a normal person, if you sleep on your your left side, it improves circulation because you're not sleeping on this inferior vena cava we're talking about. And it's one of the largest vein in the body. And it's on the right side. Okay. And aside that, it prevents heartburns because of where the stomach is located. When you sleep this side, you're not sleeping that much on the stomach.
Okay. I see.
And also, what I've learned in research has said that the brain is able to eliminate waste when you're sleeping on your left side.
Thank you very much for watching. If you got value from this video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. We'll be very, very happy that you share with your friends and put your comments below. Let us also know how you slept when you're pregnant. And then, yes, if you haven't yet watched our video on how to prevent some of these issues with pregnancy, please check out our video. I'll leave the link up there so that you can check it out. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, we're going to also post pictures for you to see the positions. Okay.
We'll see you in the next one.